Wow. Do y'all see how bomb that look? Spicy vodka pasta, the chicken parm. Wow. Today we're making some spicy vodka pasta with some chicken parm as well. I know what I'm gonna say. I don't care what them folks say. Wash and clean your chicken with vinegar and water, lime and water. I can't stress that enough. Wash and clean your chicken. I got some thinly sliced chicken breasts. I kind of beat mine a little bit because I wanted them to be super thin. Add a little oil to it. Season our chicken with the nice spice, garlic, and herb blend. It will be restocking soon, y'all. I know y'all gonna kill me because y'all keep saying, I don't even have any more. I'm down to my last little bit, y'all. And cooking up a bird rub. I don't be knowing what do y'all consider a quick meal. Because seasoning up some chicken and frying it real quick, to me, is quick. Got some egg, some breadcrumbs, and I got some flour. I'm gonna just season my flour with the nice spice. Cooking up a bird rub. I'm going to go in the egg, flour, and the egg. And that's how it's supposed to look. Now we are about to shallow fry our chicken cutlet. Once it's ready to flip over, oh, it is. Baby, I fried this bad baby to perfection. Look at this. Chicken cutlet is fried to perfection. Wow. Spicy vodka sauce. Oil, chopped onion, garlic. To add some red crushed pepper. Now we're gonna add our tomato paste, a generous amount. To add the heavy whipping cream, some pasta water, fresh Parmesan cheese, a bit of black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder to our sauce. I'm going to mix that together. I'm going to get a little bit of our sauce, pour it on our chicken for our chicken parm. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to add some fresh mozzarella. To put this in the oven at 400 for 10 minutes. Look at the chicken parm. Spicy vodka chicken parm. See how bomb that looks. Look at this. Look at this. Spicy vodka pasta chicken parm. You guys see how bomb that looks? It just gives life. Like, get up in that. At this point, I'm on people at Olive Garden. Okay, y'all. I'm ready to cut this because all of that playing ain't about nothing. Wow. Wow. You never played in this kitchen. Here, because I know y'all want some. This meal was one of them ones, baby. BRB, y'all. I gotta go eat.